Morning, everyone.
Good morning.
We are in the Yerevan, Armenia right now, and today we are going for a walking tour.
Let's show them the city.
Let's go.
So this is cafe culture here in Yerevan, and all these streets have cafes, they have parks with bars and restaurants and big trees shaded. It's really a beautiful city. You can even like artwork. On the right here you'll see there's some guys playing musicians. It's probably made of brass or some other metal. Just to give you an idea of they really appreciate the arts here, but it's a very modern city with a lot of interesting things going on.
So we are walking here.
We are?
Yeah, it's quite, the temperature here in the daytime is warm, but in the nighttime is when the sun goes down, it drops very fast.
It's cool. We're at a high elevation,
Uh-huh.
so that it cools down at night.
Yeah.
And it's not really even warm now. I would say now is even cool. It's probably only maybe 72 degrees Fahrenheit.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
They have these all over the city. They're great. So it kind of goes without saying, or maybe it doesn't. This is the first Christian nation in the world, Armenia. 300 AD or so, this country declared Christianity its national religion, and later Georgia was number 2. So this part of the world is very significant for Christianity. And this whole area had one huge basilica on it, and when the Bolsheviks started to tear it down, the archaeologists discovered this remnants from the 13th century church, and that's what stopped this area from becoming an apartment building. And the church behind the ancient church was kind of a replica, as you can see, of what they think the original church looked like before it was destroyed in the earthquake of, I think, 1679. But this whole area now is obviously been reconstructed post-Bolshevik era, and it's quite nice.
Yeah, so we just able to visit this church in the city.
Yeah.
Because they have a tour different days to go to see the older church in this country.
Yeah.
We miss out the day, so they don't have other day anymore. So we are walking here to the next destination is a marketplace.
Yeah. Arts and crafts market. Armenian arts and crafts.
It's my first time using this gimbal, so I still figure out how to use. And it's quite heavy. I think I still prefer GoPro, but the stability of this gimbal is much better than GoPro.
Yeah. This is a theater here, and they have a play going. I can't read Armenian, so I can't tell you what the title is, but they have plays going on here. There's also, later we'll show you the opera. And there's a water fountain behind us here. And there's, as usual, they have the little kiosks here with ice cream and coffee and just another street in Armenia, in the capital Yerevan. Beautiful place.
It's nice. I think I finally love this the gimbal thing when I used to eat a little bit. It's too bad I didn't film it in Georgia. It's a very beautiful country.
Yeah,
very beautiful.
It's amazing tool.
Yeah.
The gimbal, the DJI gimbal you're using, I think it blows away GoPro. Plus, you don't need an extra camera. You just use your phone, right?
Yeah.
That's the only downside of this town. That sound you heard is a car speeding. A lot of speeders in this town. They should give them big fat fines.
Yeah.
This is the subway stop near the museum, the National Museum, and the Republic Square. They spent a lot of money on this place. Big, beautiful fountain in the center. I guess they don't run the water all the time now. Let's head this way, hon. That's the National Museum at that end of the park. And at this end is or at least it's in that direction, is the market we're going to, the arts and crafts market, Armenian. But we're going to go get in the shade. So at the end of the park, opposite the National Museum, is this vernissage, which is a French word for market.
Yeah, just behind me.
We're heading over there to see Armenian arts and crafts.
Everyone is unique, everyone is beautiful.
They even have beautiful frames.
And yes, because the artist prepares for every painting.
It's pretty. Yeah. Hello, how are you? Wow, that's cool. So this is Republic Square. It's the cultural and political center of Yerevan. So this is the Yerevan walking street. It's actually Northern Avenue, and there's no cars. People, restaurants, coffee shops. It's nice, not as noisy.
Yeah, let's show them around.
All right.
It's cool. These guys.
It's one way to pay for travel. Behind us is the Cascade Complex, and along the way you'll see all these art pieces, and the whole thing is to take you from the city, Yerevan, up to the memorial, and along the way you see all this beautiful art.
Our walking tour about this place.
Yeah, Yerevan, Armenia.
It's very rare we are making an ending for the video. Normally never have an ending.
Yeah, life goes on and on and on. No ending necessary.
Yeah, but now should we go for a beer?
Let's do it. All right.